Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules. Welcome back to my channel. We will be making some sconces from these serving trays that I picked up from Walmart. I'm going to be adding 2 different lights, and I'm also going to be using some acrylic sheets and acrylic gems. So let's get into it. Before we cut the acrylic sheets, I will be gluing the 2 trays together. Later on, I realized that they are too see-through, and so I ended up having to paint one side so that you can't see it from the front. I measured the opening so that I know how wide I have to cut the acrylic sheets. Like I said before, I went back and I did 3 coats of the black paint so that you couldn't see the fairy lights through the plastic, because this is the thin plastic from Walmart. These are not the Dollar Tree ones that are really sturdy. I did it because I only want to use it for Christmas, and then after that I'm going to take everything apart. But they are very cute. After the lights went on, I ended up gluing these 2 together. I also made sure that the battery pack for the lights were on the top part of the tray. This part was going to remain open so that I can change batteries if I needed to. One of the reasons I use these trays is because of the decoration it has in the middle. I wanted to decorate it with bling wrap in the center and have enough space to put my lights. I purchased this bling wrap from Amazon. I bought it a while ago, but I'm going to look for the link so that I can leave the link for it down below. It is absolutely beautiful. And guys, I'm going to take this time to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And now that the front is all decorated, I am going to take the acrylic sheets that I cut up, and I will be adding the acrylic gems to them and then gluing them to the side. I covered up the visible glue with bling wrap. I'm going to be using these remote control submersible lights. They come in various colors and also they have different motions. I'm also going to be using a napkin ring from Dollar Tree, which I glued to the center. Then I glued the two lights together and put it in the center of the napkin ring. I also used these shot glasses. They come in a pack of 4 from Dollar Tree, and I'm using 2 on each sconce. Because these sconces are only going to be temporary, I glued the shot glasses directly onto the napkin ring. Had I been using them for a long period of time, I would have found a different way so that I can take out the lights and change batteries. So I added a small amount to the top of the napkin ring as far as I can get around the side, and then to the bottom of the cup, and I put it underneath first and then I glued the top like that. I meant to add this mosaic wrap to the top and the bottom of both shot glasses, and I forgot to do it and glued the first one in, so I went ahead and did it after. Once I put the finishing touches in, the only thing I needed to do was cover the bottom because I only put the gems on the sides. The bottom I added some gold bling wrap in order to cover it so you couldn't see up into the sconce. To hang it up on the wall, I used wire and pieces of cardboard. I covered the wire with the cardboard and hot glue, and that was enough to hold it up on the wall. The sconces are not heavy and they're not gonna fall. adding my bling wrap, and let me show you what they look like on the wall. Well guys, I hope you liked it. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and we'll see you soon.